Today I am going to show you how to make a perfect pizza crust. For this video I am using a 200 grams of dough. To make a nice crust, just hard press the side, leaving at least ½ inch on each side. Slowly turn as you press the dough. Just make sure not to press the center of the dough. Just focus on the side first. Once you get used on turning the dough, you can now do it faster like what I am doing. Flip it back, then repeat the process again. For the correct position of our palm, we are going to position our hand in a rectangle shape, like this. Just like what they say, practice makes perfect. Press both your ring and middle finger while rotating the dough. Then pull each side of the dough to stretch. Please let me know in the comment section if this helped in creating your perfect crust. Hit that subscribe button to be updated with my next video. 2 technique on how to stretch a pizza dough.